Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I appreciate. And check out all the media. Check out our new partners. We've got a little splash screen up here, Magic Square NFT. They're going to be collaborating with us on, they're our blockchain friends. We've got our blockchain friends up there. They're going to be collaborating with us on all the NFTs that we're getting ready to put out. So alright, today it's been a while since I did a technical analysis video. Um, I usually don't do them when the market's going down like that because it's everybody wants to hear doom and gloom, right? Everybody's like doom and gloom. So, and I'm not too big on doom and gloom, but I did want to talk um, about the price action, what's going on here. Alright, you see, if you follow along, this was our area of capitulation. And as I always say, if the price can get back here, all the way back here to the oversold area, with without breaking our area of capitulation, then then we should start looking for a signal for a move high. Um, I'm still cautious. Okay, I'm being cautious. I made a position last night. I'm sorry. I look working many hours. Right, I wasn't able to get a video out, but I opened up a position last night and doing very good so far. Um, I'm mainly going to talk about Cardano, but we want to look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin's king, right? So got a Bitcoin, we're moving up. We couldn't break that area of capitulation, made it back to the oversold. This is on our daily chart. Let's see what weekly. I haven't really even haven't even been looking at this stuff. Let's see. Okay, we're holding this bottom trend line here. Had a little break of it, right? But still held our price trend line fairly decent. Okay, so that's looking pretty good where we're at. And it's been like months since I started looking at these charts. When it's doing when it does its thing, I just like shut it off, enjoy life. You know what I'm saying? Try to take profits when it goes high. All right, monthly chart. Let's see what happens. Monthly, we're bouncing right on our trend line down here. So there we go. We've kind of wanted to break through it. Haven't broke through it yet. I was anticipating when we thought we were going to go through it. I was anticipating it coming down here. We haven't been able to do it. I'm telling you, this is a humongous flag if we move up from here, right? As long as we don't start creating a descending wedge. We don't want to create a ascending wedge, right? But if we start flagging out right here and build a little triangle. So, but we're going to have to get away from this area. I said a couple months ago, I wanted to see a strong bounce off of this area. Strong bounce is relative in time, right? Okay. So that's how we're looking. Let's see. Daily chart. Obviously, we're moving up. I'm very cautious at this point. I think we're going to make it back to that 44, 45 area. Um, I would be a seller at that point. I think we'll have a bounce off of it. I think we're going to have a bounce off of it and move up, have a bounce off of it, come back down, and then I believe we're going to go back up from there. We're going to have to see what happens with the news. It's crazy right now. Look, if compared to the U.S. dollar, Bitcoin compared to the U.S. dollar, if Russia starts selling oil to China in yuan, right? The only thing that keeps our dollar afloat is the petrodollar, which our currency is basically the reserve currency of the world because you have to buy it to buy um, petro or to buy oil. Okay, so I mean, if that happens, we can expect to see the price of the dollar go down, which is going to mean other stuff is going to go up. We need to be thinking about that. Okay. Um, this is the pattern that I'm watching right now. Okay, this is what I'm looking at now. Now I wanted to talk about ADA. Let's go over and take a check at ADA. Let's go over and look at ADA. If we can find it. It's been so long. I don't even remember how to get back to my ADA chart. This is how it goes. Now ADA is what I opened up last night. I'm a couple cents up. I'm about 6 cents up on my position right now. I'm expecting ADA to I'm expecting ADA to, yeah, about 6 cents up on my ADA. I'm expecting to not, right, and let's see, how do I get rid of it? Let's see, I don't even know how to use a charting tool. It's amazing how long I haven't, it's been since I've been charting stuff. Okay, let's go down here, get the hourly. Look at this nice little pattern here. Look at that, that's so textbook. So textbook. It's beautiful. It's just a beautiful thing. Okay, so I'm looking at it coming back up, and I'm thinking about that 97-cent area. Probably see some rejection. Come back down to that 86-cent area, and then for that move higher. Okay. Right. So that's when we have a big move right there. A little resistance here. Little rejection. Freaking people buying it up because they know it's going to go, and then moving up. That's what I'm looking at right now. That's what I'm charting. We'll see how it goes. It's the market. Okay. You know, it's the market, right? Our daily chart, let's see how our daily chart's looking. Daily chart's looking pretty good. That's a pretty good target there, 185. I think we're going to have that hard resistance from that 118. We might see more of a pullback. Let's see. See that pullback. See that pullback rate 18, 119, something like that. But anyway, I got a position open. I'll probably close it out around that 197 area. 7 more cents. So something like that. I'm just kind of dabbling in the market, but that is a beautiful little turn right there. It's a really beautiful little turn. We're nowhere near an overbought area. You see we had our break on our descending relative strength right there. So we had that breakout. This is just where we're at, right? And I think that 188 area is probably a good stopping point. Depending on how it looks, I might just hold on to it. I mean, with ADA, to be honest with you, I mean, I'm a buyer, okay? So, it could go to 0, whatever. I'm a buyer, okay? But I think that 188 is probably a good take profit area if you have, so that's probably a good take profit area. I might take some profit here along the ways. I might take all of it and buy back in, hope for a dip and buy back in, and we'll see how it goes. So anyway, I just wanted to give you an update what was going on in the charts. Things are looking good, okay, in my estimation. So things are looking good. All right, well, y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.